The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. They said, "Oink oink! Time to build our own houses." Pig 1 built a house of straw, swish swish, easy and fast. He said that he danced and sang, "This house is done, oink oink oink." Pig 2 built a house of sticks, clack clack, nice and quick. He said that he clapped and cheered, "This house is strong, oink oink oink." Pig 3 built a house of bricks, bang bang, hard work, but strong. He said that he smiled and said, "This house will last, oink oink oink." Then came the big bad wolf, Jah. He saw the straw house. Little pig, let me come in," he said. "No, no, no. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin," said Pig 1. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." Huff! Puff! Whoosh! Down went the straw house. Pig 1 ran, oink oink, to Pig 2's house. The wolf came to the stick house. Little pigs, let me come in." "No, no, no. Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." Huff! Puff! Crash! Down went the stick house. Pigs 1 and 2 ran, oink oink, to Pig 3's house. The wolf came to the brick house. "Let me in." "No, no, no. Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll try very hard, blow your house down." Huff! Puff! Huff puff puff! But the brick house stayed strong. No blow, no crash, no fall. The wolf was mad. He climbed the roof. Step, step, step. He slid down the chimney, slide. But guess what? Splash! Right into a big pot of stew, YOW. Hot! The wolf jumped up and ran away. Whoa! The pigs laughed, oink oink hooray! No more wolf today. And they lived happily ever after in their strong brick house.